How to play Nine Souls on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to understand why you can't play Nine Souls on Android, and I will also show you some safe and legal alternatives if you still want to enjoy the game on your mobile device. Let's get started. Why you can't play Nine Souls on Android? 1. No official mobile version. Nine Souls is currently available only on PC via Steam. The developers, Wired Candle Games, have not released the game for Android or iOS. 2. Statement from Wired Candle Games. They officially confirmed that the game is not compatible with mobile or tablets. Mobile versions are not in development or planned, likely due to the game's complexity, controls and graphics, which are better suited to the PC and consoles. Alternatives to play Nine Souls on mobile. 1. Remote play from PC to Android. If you own the game on Steam, you can use Steam Link to stream the game from your PC to your Android phone. Just install Steam Link on your phone, connect to your PC, and launch the game remotely. This works well with Wi-Fi and supports controller input. 2. Use cloud gaming. If Nine Souls becomes available on platforms like GeForce Now, Xbox Cloud Gaming, or Boosteroid, you may be able to play in the cloud. These platforms stream the game from high-performance servers to your device. No download is needed. As of now, Nine Souls is not listed, but it's worth keeping an eye on. 3. Wait for consoles cloud options. When Nine Souls launches on consoles, like PlayStation, PS Remote Play, could be another way to stream it to your mobile device if you own the game on a console. And that's it. Now you know why Nine Souls is not available on Android and what safe options you have to play in anyway. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.